This is Tegral's 6mm for 9m grab hook chain kit. This high performance chain kit is engineered for rigorous tasks with an impressive 2,300 kilograms of lashing capacity. It features durable grab hooks on both ends, ensuring secure and reliable connections of your load. The chain is classified under the G70 Lashing Grade, demonstrating the exceptional strength and durability of the chain. Every 500mm of the chain is clearly stamped with its lashing capacity, providing continuous assurance of its load-bearing capabilities. It adheres to Australia and New Zealand's stringent standards, and each chain kit is tested and tagged for your safety and peace of mind. For convenient storage and portability, the chain kit is packed in a heavy-duty plastic bucket, making it a must-have addition to any toolbox. Thank you.